Hello, little Giggle friends. Today's story is about building something special, not just with wood and nails, but with kindness and teamwork. Let's visit the gentle riverside and meet our friend Benny the Beaver. Benny the Beaver was busy drawing plans with his little paws. "I'm building a bridge today," he beamed. "A real one that goes across the river." He gathered twigs and stacked them, hammered with his tail. Plop, plunk, tap, tap. But soon the sticks rolled away, and the logs tumbled down. "Oh no," Benny sighed. "This is harder than I thought." Just then, Lily the ladybug fluttered by. "Why the frown, Benny?" she asked. "I wanted to build a bridge all by myself," Benny mumbled, "but it keeps falling apart." Lily smiled gently. "Sometimes, even the best builders need a little help." Soon, Benny's friends arrived. Milo the monkey brought vines to tie the logs. Ellie the elephant carried big branches. Polly the parrot flew above and gave directions. Together, they worked and giggled. They slipped a little, splashed a little, but laughed a lot. At last, the bridge stood strong. It stretched across the river, safe and steady, and his eyes sparkled. "We did it! Together!" The friends cheered and skipped across the bridge side by side. One by one, step by step, it felt like magic. That evening, they all sat on the bridge, watching the golden sky reflect in the water below. And he smiled. "This bridge isn't just made of wood," he said. "It's made of friendship." Moral of the story: friendship is the strongest bridge of all. It holds up when we help one another.
Thanks for watching Sweet Giggle Tales. We hope you laughed, imagined, and had tons of fun. Come back soon for more magical stories, sweet giggles, and happy endings. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because every giggle counts. Until next time.